Hey YouTube, I'm making a review on the Building Bra for the WWE toys. As you can see, they're quite small, judging to the actual size, which is right here that I'm wiggling. I have more, like Matt Hardy, and that crap. That's actually Chris Jericho, and let's just show you how big they are. I gotta remove everything from this table. Just to compare the height of them. Moonies are over here about the other ones. The first ones that came out were like that big. The miniatures, as you can see, replica. You can see the abs move, leg joints, elbows, wrists, feet. Basically, they're everything that this has, the newer big toys have, except it's just miniature version. And well, the ring on the other hand, twice as big as minis. You see, it doesn't have that much height on it. And not pre-made ropes for you. As you can see, I put my finger on both the same type of weight. I messed up on the tightness of them, so yeah, something you have to watch out for. Well, I'll let you guys go. Holla, it's your boy.